Looking to up your affiliate marketing? Try these great ideas. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it, however you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. Blogs are a great way to make money. If you do it right, affiliate marketing can really pay off. Blogs are a great way to give details about a company's products. A company may not have room on their website catalog to give you the information you need. Giving first-hand usage information can pay off. A great tip for affiliate marketing is to start promoting an affiliate product on Facebook. Facebook is great because it allows you to get in touch with millions of other people. It can be a very powerful marketing tool and you'll definitely generate interest by promoting your product or service on there. The best affiliate marketers out there are fantastic writers. They might never rival King in the novel department or get hired to work at a newspaper, but for what they do in marketing, their skills are more than proficient. Remember to always write for your audience and you can become a great writer. Take the time to create a longer autoresponder series so that you can set it and forget it. You always want to keep you and your products in potential customers' minds, but you shouldn't be spending hours a day on it. Create a long series of tips or videos that you can set to deliver over months or even an entire year. Make sure that the content is useful to the customer and that they don't read as just buy my product, or you will end up in the spam folder. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before you watched this video. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try and you should be pleased. Student loan.